Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to mute or unmute WhatsApp status of selected contacts. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: from your WhatsApp home menu, tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on account, tap on privacy and tap on status. And tap on my contacts, accept, and now select those contacts you want to mute your WhatsApp status and tap on done. And to unmute any contact, tap on my contacts, accept again, and deselect those contacts you want to unmute, then tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.